Hello guys, good afternoon everyone. Good afternoon. And guys, so nawala naman yung yung madilim na kahapon kasi uulan. So ayan guys. Mainit naman po siya guys. May araw. Buti naman nawala yung ulan. So ayan guys. So ito yung puno ng makopa guys. Makopa tree. Ano to guys? Bagong palit ng dahon guys. Siguro mamumunga to. Ayan. Yung dalawang puno guys. Ito yung isa wala gaanong dahon. Ito malabong yung dahon guys. Ito rin yung malunggay ko guys. So ang labong ng dahon. So ang taas-taas pa naman. So ayan. Ayan guys. Ganda ng tingnan guys. Itong dahon. So, ito yung makopa guys. Ang ganda ng tingnan. Yung dahon. So ayan guys. Ito yung paligid ko guys. So ayan guys. Madamo yung paligid ko. So ayan guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Andun yung kalsada guys. Nandyan po yung kalsada. So ayan guys, thank you for watching. Bye-bye.